Hi everybody, today we are going to open 4 mini brands minis. Let's see if we can get the ones, these are the double ones that we have, or the dupes. So let's see if we can fill our fridge. Oh, it's a bit messy. Okay, so here we go. This is the first one. I feel so satisfied when it opens without struggle. My friend was kind enough to get these from me from England. So let's see if they're any different from the ones that I got here. Okay. First one. Oh, I already see a dupe. Dupe. So let's put that down there. It's the first duplicate magnet that we've got so far. Okay, first one. Let's see what we have. Oh, I think I have this one. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to check. Okay, let's see the next one. Oh, soy sauce. We have this one. At the moment, we've got no new. I think this is the. Yeah, we've got this one too. Oh, come on. Oh, where are you hiding? Okay. Let's see the next one. Come on, come on, come on. Something new, something new. Nope. Got a little fishy. Fishy, fishy. Okay. I'm not doing so good on the first one. Come on, the last one. Don't be a duplicate. Don't be a duplicate. And we have some water. Okay, I think these balls are going to go quicker than I anticipated. Let's see. Love it. Okay, where's the... Oh. I love it when it works out. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Be a good one, be a good one. Okay, don't need that. Oh, pizza magnet. See, we haven't got that one. Let's hope then that means that we have new items. I can already tell this is the water bottle. Yep. Another water. Come on, universe. We want some new ones. Oh, we haven't got this one. It's the fruit tray. How cool is that? Yay. Gonna put that in. Okay, next one. The lobster. I don't think we have this one. Or do we? Let me check. Check. Oh, we do have the lobster. Oh no. Okay, never mind. Come on, new one, new one, new one. No, we've got this one as well. I can't even open this one. Come on. Yep, we have this one too. Sure we do. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Come on. We want new ones, new. Maybe I shouldn't say anything. Oh, I can never get these open. Oh, another cheese pizza. Okay. And the last one for this ball is another soy sauce. I mean, they're cute, but I want the unicorn cake. That's what I want. Come on, come on, come on. Unicorn cake. And the ice. And the eggs. And the chicken, actually. Oh. Since I gave you two good ones, I'm not going to collaborate. Cooperate, even. Okay. So, yes. Okay, do we have that one? I can see the magnet. No, we don't have that one. That's another new one. Let's be hopeful that we're getting new ones in this one. Come on. Should we do the yellow ones first? I can already see what that one is. Ah, pizza box. Okay, come on, be a good one. Another soy sauce. What is up? And this one is another. Oh my goodness, I am not being very lucky today. Okay. Come on. Ooh. No. Another juice. And another fruit tray. So just in case you thought you weren't getting another one, guess again. And the last one from this ball is lamb chops, which you can see we have plenty of. Okay, guys, it's the last ball. Come on. Come on, come on. They're just, these ones are just so hard to find anywhere. And when you do, they're just stupidly expensive. So if anybody knows where I can get them, please let me know, because I really do want to complete the whole fridge. Oh, love it. Love it, love it, love it. And leave down in the comments which is the one you're looking for, which one you're more excited to find. Oh, another pizza duplicate. Actually, I don't mind these, because if we get enough of them, we can create a whole pizza. Okay, bag number one, milk. Got milk. Okay, gonna try and see. Oh, kombucha. Just no more pizzas. Got enough pizzas. Oh, and lamb chops. Okie dokie. Of course. Oh, there's so many more to discover, and I'm just getting the same ones over and over again. Come on. At least one new one in every... I'm not even going to open it. Or should I? Go on. Cheese pizza. Anybody want some cheese pizza? Oh, and the last one, and I can already see what it is, and we have 4 of them. Okay. Oh no, it's the chocolate one. Woohoo! So out of all of these that we've opened, these are the only 2 new ones that we've gotten at the 4 balls. Okay, bye everybody.